What's going on, y'all? We're on board the Carnival Paradise and we are in cabin number U196 and we're going to show you what this room looks like. Come on, let's go. And there is the beautiful Moonlight goddess Chastity, and she is going to show us around this room with her awesome Happy New Year ears.
We are on New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, New Year's cruise, everything. So we got a ton of storage space. Actually, it's actually a lot of storage space.
This is an interior room, and it's very nice.
All these shelves, you usually don't get this much. And then you have two closets. It's one for clothes, and one for short clothes, I guess, and a bunch of your luggage or whatever you want to put down here. Shoes. But, got your refrigerator. That is not fully stocked. Hair dryer, USB ports, plug-ins. You also have USB ports on the side of the bed over there. And you got your fancy little pull-down bed. Here's a pull-down bed too. We're not using those unless you make me mad and I make you sleep on one of these. Hopefully that's not the case, but it's there just in case. It is a bigger TV than usual. I like that. You have like a little bit of storage. I mean, I know this is not a lot, but
normally we put them under the bed and we don't have to this time.
Storage space here, yeah.
Yeah.
So the bathroom.
These doors are not working out with us here.
It is just your normal bathroom, and it does have this clingy
But it's pretty
shower
spacious
curtain.
for an interior. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's okay. It's not bad. You do have a lot of storage right here, too, to put some things.
Did you wrote that one more time?
It's just your normal.
And look at the hole. They just put pine sol in there. That's not piggy, promise.
If you enjoyed this vlog, click the link above for more cruise content.